What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, and today I want to show you this hair from Donmily Wigs. And yeah, I'm super excited to show you what is in the box, but I do want to tell you that I did customize the hair already. So I've already taken it out of the packaging and everything, but I will show you what I did later on. I'm going to show you what else they gave me. They gave me this adjustable elastic band thing that you can use to like lay down your wigs, and also 2 wig caps. So we love that. Thank you so much. And now I'm going to show you what I did to customize the hair. I already plucked it and bleached it, but I didn't put in a part because I kind of want this hairstyle where you kind of throw it to the side kind of thing. You guys will see. But this is the texture of the hair. It's body wave. It's like 22 inches. It is thick, okay? It is stunning. I absolutely love this hair, and the tracks are really nice. So it's a very well made wig. It's a frontal, and it is a 13x4 frontal, and the bottom has clips and these adjustable straps. And I'm just gonna take these straps and kind of adjust them because wigs always end up big on me. It's so weird. But the hairstyle that I want is very glamorous, you guys. It's very side parts, old Hollywood. So I'm going to curl my hair, and I'm just going to do it in medium-sized sections, not too big, not too small. And then I'm going to cool the curls in my hair. I did this with every single curl, but I'm going to cool the curls in my hair, and then I'm going to take some Got2b and I'm going to place it on there. But I'm not even going to like place it. I'm going to spray it like a crazy person because I want these curls to have hold, okay? So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to put it on my head when everything is curled out and nicely cooled. And as you can see, these are very tight curls, and on top of being very tight, they are also free sprayed up, okay? I've got a lot of free spray on them, so yeah, they are very tight and crispy. And that customization I did, that lace tinting, looks stunning. So I'm going to adhere my wig to my head, and I'm going to use a Got2b in the black bottle. I love the black bottle. I recommend it. And then I'm going to just make it tacky, and like I always do, you guys know my installs, I'm just going to place it down there and tie it up with a satin scarf just so I can lay my edges. So I did over bleach the hair just a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit. So I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm going to kind of, you know, fill in where I want more black strands. And then I'm going to take some tissue and kind of just like wipe it down and like, you know, get rid of any excess kind of thing, just so it looks a bit better. So yeah, that's basically it. And then I'm going to undo the little ponytail that I did when I was laying my lace, and I'm going to break the curls. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how I achieved this look. Literally the side part is just me basically throwing my hair. That's it. But yeah, if you guys love this hair, then go into my description box. I will have a link for you guys, and I'll also have a discount code if I have one or anything like that. But if you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section down below. Would you do this hairstyle? I love this hairstyle. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.